Good morning, peeps. Smitty at the shop, and we're calling this one done. Let's just crunch some numbers real quick. I'll show you what the total investment was in parts, etc. And then we'll show you how she turned out. All right, so super quick, just running through the numbers here. Came down, had my $1,000 miscellaneous, which should have brought me to $71.86. Every nut, bolt, speckle of paint, and everything that went on it, my goal was $6,000. I ended up at $70.85, so somewhere right in the middle there. $1,000 over what I wanted to invest in it, which I would say primarily was because of those differentials. While I can't say exactly what I paid for the Jeep because, you know, obviously I'm a business and have to sell it, and people hate when I make money. I can tell you that the average trade-in for that Jeep that year with that mileage without any of the extras is $21,000, and I can assure you I am well below that. In fact, I plan on selling the Jeep for about $22,000 when all is said and done. So we did good on this one, put a lot of work into it, made some money, and it's on to the next one. But without further ado, I present to you the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Copart Rebuild.